Hey everyone. Okay, so I have some skin saviors and I wanted to share them with you because it's a range within a range that I'm very familiar with, but not this particular product range, if that makes absolutely any sense to you. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you follow my videos, you know that I love Sanctuary Spa. You can get them in Sainsbury's and you can also get them in Boots in store and online. And these particular products are on 3 for 2 at Boots at the moment. So if you want to pick yourself up a whole new skincare routine, including body skin and all that type of stuff, then yeah, I'll leave a link to them below. First of all, Sanctuary Spa's Vitamin C range. Have you heard of this? I had not heard of this. I was very kindly sent these products by Sanctuary, and when I opened the package, I was like, my goodness, I have not heard of these. I've been using these for a while now, and oh my god. You know, we traditionally say that these types of products, they're vitamin C, they're for the sun, you know, that's kind of, we always attribute like vitamin C and this type of thing with the spring and the summer in particular. I don't think that's the case. I think you really need a big boost of something for your skin between like the end of autumn and the beginning of winter. These products are perfect. Okay, first of all, I have 2 body products and 2 face products. I'm going to start with the face products first. And this, I love this. This is a little miracle. It is the Sanctuary Spa Vitamin C Wet Skin Face Moisturiser. Now, when I saw this, I'm like, that is really interesting. What do they mean wet skin face moisturiser? What are they talking about? It's amazing. Okay, it's the quickest and most effective way to moisturise, brighten and protect your face with anti-pollution protection and plumping hyaluronic acid. And of course vitamin C in it. What you do with this, it's specifically designed to use on wet skin to boost the hydrating effects of the hyaluronic acid. So what you do, in order to get a glow, you can use this at night. I like to use it during the day, like in the morning after I've cleansed, under my makeup. Yes, you can do that. You cleanse your face as normal, you wash the cleanser off, whatever, but leave your face a bit damp. I know this sounds weird, it's very strange to me. The first time I did it, I was like, I think I've done this wrong, this feels very strange. So you can use this on dry skin, but that's not the point of it. So you get a little, it's a gel, you get a little dollop of this, you don't need too much. That's the beauty. You get a little dollop of this wet skin moisturiser on your wet face after you've cleansed, obviously free of cleanser, clearly. You kind of rub it in, then you leave it. Don't play around with it, don't fuss about with it, don't be put off by the fact that your skin's still wet, that's fine. It locks in the moisture that you had on your skin from the water and from the cleansing and everything. It locks it into this gel. And your face, it has like it's bizarre, it's like a glass effect. It's really, really strange. It's a beautiful moisturiser, but in particular, it is an absolutely lovely face primer. The next little gem for your face is the Vitamin C 20% Daily Glow Face Serum. Brightening, awakening and resurfacing. And this is a revitalising resurfacing serum infused with brightening vitamin C, antioxidant turmeric, which is very, very good for you, and plumping hyaluronic acid for visibly brighter and smoother skin in an instant. Proven to reduce the appearance of pores and lines after 2 weeks. This is a little serum. I kind of think this is more of a specialist product, which is why I like it so much. You only get a little, it's only 30 ml, but then it's a serum, you don't need more than that. So what you do with this, use in the morning or the evening on clean skin, so I think probably you don't use it in the morning and the evening. I haven't been doing that. I've actually been using this in the evening. I haven't been using this in the morning when I've been using the wet skin moisturiser, because I think it's, I don't see that you need to use both of them. You could if you want to. If you really want to like take 10 years off your skin, then you could do. So you put this on clean skin before applying your moisturiser. Use sunscreen afterwards. The tingling sensation is expected during the first 1 to 2 weeks. So I use this in the evening. You know, as I said, vitamin C, it's always like, oh, it's vitamin C. That's like for the summer, isn't it? No. We need to take care of our skin in the winter. This is the thing. We need to, and of course now we're spending so much more time. Oh my God, stop putting gloss on. We're spending so much more time indoors, and of course in the UK, in England specifically, we're into another lockdown come midnight tonight. So we're spending a lot more time indoors, and I think the central heating is just a ravage. It just ravages your skin. You don't want that, but there's no way around it. There's really no way around it. It just is what it is. But you can combat that I think, with really good skincare products, and in particular skincare products that really like give a glow. So I would definitely recommend these two. They've been helping me. They're lovely. On to body care. I have two body care products from the same line from Sanctuary Spa. This is the Glow Boost Body Serum. Lightweight, revitalizing moisturizer to lock in hydration and radiance. Oh, this stuff is lovely. This stuff is so nice. It's so revitalizing. It's so zingy. You know, you get out of the shower, you get out of the bath. Yes, I've taken tanning baths. For anybody going, yeah, so who cares? I'm not a bath person, but I've actually taken tanning baths. My leg injury kind of forced my hand on that aspect, and I thought, oh, okay, whatever, I'll see. I'll just like, I won't enjoy it. But I actually do enjoy baths now, so there you go. So you get out of the bath, you put this on. I understand, look, I think more like in the morning, but I really don't think it's kind of time specific. I know these like zingy, like glowy products, people are kind of like, we put them on in the morning. You can do that if you like. Do whatever you like, it's your body. This has turmeric oil in it and caffeine. Oh my goodness. I suffer from like dry elbows where I'm kind of like, I'm like writing, so I'm always like at a desk or something, or like with computers and stuff, and like, so I do suffer from like dryness on my elbows, but I kind of suffer from, it's just kind of like a general like feeling about my skin at the moment, because even though I do still have bronzer and stuff, I do that. I don't bronze as much, and I wouldn't imagine a lot of people do. I don't bronze as much as I do in the summer. The summer, I'm like all for it. I walk around, I'm like, you know, bronzed up to the hilt. I'm totally like okay for it. And I don't really think that there's any real need to use that many body moisturizers for the summer. I could be wrong there. But I don't. I'm just kind of like, slap the bronzer on and let's go. But like this type of time of year, I'm so pale, and it's not really like the paleness of my skin that's kind of getting to me. It's kind of like just a lackluster appearance of it. It's just kind of like, ugh. Dreary. It's dreary. You put this on, because of the caffeine, I would imagine. It's amazing. Massage Ninja Skin is an alternative to body lotion, or for an intensive boost, use under your normal moisturizer as a primer. And by that they mean under your normal body moisturizer, not on your face. You can't use this on your face. Do not use it on your face. So they mean as like a body primer. Isn't that cool? Don't you think that's cool? I think that's really cool. Oh, I love the smell of these products too. It just smells like an orange. It's just, oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, enough about that. So, I've got you covered. I've got like products for every single bit of you. And then the last product from the vitamin C range from Sanctuary Spa before I kill myself with this lip gloss is their shower smoothie. Now, these, they always remind me of a different kind of brand. And they kind of started coming out with these like little packets, obviously to save on plastic, unnecessary waste and stuff. But I just love this. I have used this. It doesn't look like I have, but I have used it. Of course I have. An instant pick me up with caffeine and turmeric. So we have, you know, we have your stuff for your body, and then we have your stuff for your shower. You can use this in the bath too. But like, have you seen like the little seeds in it? Awaken your senses with a burst of refreshing citrus with a daily dose of vitamin C, fruit extracts and caffeine. This gentle polishing body wash will leave your body feeling smooth, moisturised and delicately fragranced. It does, actually. The little seeds, what are they? It's got grapefruit in it. Ah, it's got strawberry seeds in it. Strawberry seeds, raspberry, sugar cane, sugar maple, lemon, grapefruit as I mentioned. Wow. No wonder this smells so nice. Turmeric root oil. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. You use this in the morning and you're like, hello, I'm awake. This stuff is amazing. And I love this, it's tactile, it's so nice. I love it. This stuff is amazing. I'm not going to say like, would I, you know, out of all of them, which one would I definitely suggest you buy if you don't want to buy all of them, because I suggest you buy all of them now, especially 3 for 2. I know, we're all supposed to save money, blah, 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 blah. I'd buy all of them. But, okay. You forced my hand. If you want to just buy one of these things, my recommendation from using them for quite some time now, it would be the Wet Skin Face Moisturiser. I would absolutely highly recommend this to anybody. If you were just particularly interested in one particular product out of the 4 that I've shown you, get the Wet Skin Moisturiser. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope it was helpful. If you're looking just for something to add a bit of like pep and zing to your daily routine, because we need it. Come on, we need pep and zing. We need a bit of waking up. We need a bit of something to look forward to. And I think, it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Just a new body care product, a new face product, something that's like, ooh, and you look forward to using it. It makes you feel better. So I love that range. Sanctuary Spa, you've excelled yourself. And I didn't even know that particular range within Sanctuary Spa existed, so there you go. So I hope I've introduced you to something new. As I said, I'll link it down below from Boots, because it's 3 for 2 at the moment. So I hope you guys are keeping very well. I hope you're all keeping safe. And yes, I will see you very, very soon. Bye, everyone.